Hi, here we have a question from exercise 1.1. Find LCM and HCF of following pair of integers and verify LCM cross HCF equals to product of two numbers. So first of all, we will find out the LCM of the two numbers. So for that, we write both the numbers together. We divide them by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Then this one divisible by 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 6s are 12. Now we see we divide again by 2. 255 not divisible. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. We divide by 23. So one of the factor is divisible, 33. Now we divide 255 by 5. So what we get is 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. Now this is divisible by 3. 3 17s are 21. 3 17s are 51. Now 17 ones are 17. So here we see that we have got LCM of the two numbers as 2 into 2, pair of 2, a 3, there's a 5, then 17 and 23. So these are the numbers which present LCM. Now to find out HCF, we have to find the prime factors separately for both the numbers 510 and 92. So we divide them accordingly. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, then 2 2s are 4. It's not divisible by 2. We divide it by 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now this is divisible by 3. 3 17s are 51 and then divisible by 17. 17 ones are 17. Now this divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8 and then 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and 23. So HCF we can see for HCF we will write the pairs of 510, the factors of 510, 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and then factors of 92 are 2 into 2 into 23. So we find the common factor, that is HCF, for the two numbers. So we write HCF of 510 and 92, that is equals to 2. Now to verify, we need to multiply HCF and LCM. So for that, we will multiply 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 17 into 23 with the HCF, that is 2. So let's check what do we get here. Now here we need to do some smart work. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60 and then 2. And here we have 17 into 23. Now this will become 12, 12 and 17 and 23 will multiply first. So let's check 23 into 17. That will be 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 and 2 16. Then we have 23, 6 and 3 9. This is 391. Now 391 we multiply it with 12. So what do we get here is 2 1s are 2, 9 2s are 18, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, then 1 9 3. So we add it up, 4 6 9 2. This is what we get, 23 into 17 into 12 and 5 2s are 10. So our multiplication of HCF and LCM will be 4 6 9 2 and 0. Now we need to check the product of the two numbers. So we multiply 5 1 51 with 92 and lastly we put up a 0. So 2 1s are 2 and 5 2s are 10. 9 1s are 9 and 5 9s are 45. Let's add it up. So what do we get here is 4692 gets 510. So we get 46920. Hence we can say that HCF cross LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. Hence verified.